can't only have for the box, but whatever.
Open up Starstrike back.
Starting out with Starstrike Glass. That's right, I said it. Team Faggot. Deal with it.
Oh, here we go. Opening.
Back one, I'm nervous.
I'd have had them all open by now.
I'm nervous. Nothing. Recruiter. Decent.
He pulls a hollow. We're all gonna like say it at one time.
There's nothing here. Oh, wow.
Formula. You said that twice, and it's been like a good rare.
Say that again. There we go. I don't need yours.
He's like, you think to it, but
You think this one's a hollow?
Yeah.
Delg?
I never free of them. I don't know what to do.
So far, so good.
Either of you guys side Delg in the mirror match?
Back opens are so far.
Yeah, just because of the drop power, that's why. Nothing.
When you summon, you get to call that card. You put it under another card, that card can
Ulti tuning, ulti glow up bulb, something.
Something ulti.
Yeah.
Oh!
fucking
That's so bad.
No point getting stuck like that.
What's it valued at?
30.
Okay.
Hey, can I see it?
Take that for a second. Sure.
I just want to see this.
Crimson card. I don't know. Ask him to open up dual center.
Mega Swing.
What is that?
Come on, Black Rose.
Oh, from Crossroads? Okay. I was like, I've never heard of that from Starstrike Glass.
Here we go.
Hey, you make your money back there, though.
Ugly thing.
Ugly thing.
Come on, man.
You guys are go-to already.
He jokes.
He what?
He didn't draw anything.
I'm paying attention.
You lost?
I drew all magic traps. I drew like 3 monsters. Nothing.
Okay.
It's gotta be the bad.
Can I have all your commons and rares?
No. I'm gonna take this.
There's always one side that's all rares and then one that's mostly
This one looks like a hollow.
rares.
Hope it is.
Which are like the best.
Boombox. Oh, okay. I want your boombox and...
Yeah, the hollow comes second in mine.
Yeah.
That's how it was, and I like that better. I hate when it comes out. I hate that. Except for Dark Games too, because it's you don't know where it's going.
Radion. I want that too.
Come on, dude, pull something epic out of this.
I gotta get something more than a secret.
Ghost Rare.
Black Rose, come on, Black Rose.
Oh my god, it's
Miracle for... Oh, Black Card.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's opening. You.
Where's the other guy? Okay.
Hey.